The thread display window is used to view the project threads running on the embedded controller. You can access the thread display window under the controller pull-down menu. When a project runs, threads will be created to execute the GPL instructions. Any executing threads are displayed in this window. If a thread is paused on a breakpoint, you can expand the thread display to see the stack of programs that are executing on the thread. The topmost program represents the currently executing program. You can double-click on any line in the stack display to navigate to the program line represented by that line. The buttons on the thread display toolbar allow you to advance the current executing line in the program by stepping into the selected thread, stepping out of the selected thread, or stepping over the selected thread. You can also move the cursor in a GPL program editor to a new program line and jump the current program line to the selected line. Additionally, there are buttons that allow you to resume the execution of the selected thread, pause the execution of the selected thread if it is running, and stop a thread execution. All of the toolbar thread control buttons are also available on the main GPL toolbar.